Hi Rebels, I'm back with yet another beginner-friendly wig install video. In today's video, I'll be using a wig from UNice Hair Company. Y'all know I love me a UNice wig. Along with my wig, I got a goodie bag with an edge band, nude cap, and some press-on nails inside. The wig they sent over is their pre-everything wig, along with some secured ear tab tape. This wig comes pre-styled, pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked with a natural, realistic hairline. The parting space on the lace is 13 by 4, and as you can see, it comes with the ear tab tape already placed on the wig, but they do send extra tapes in your package just in case you want to use them later and reinstall. So let's go ahead and put the wig on right out of the box and see how it looks. First impression, I will say I really love how this wig fits on my head. Usually I have to cut around the ear tabs to make the lace fit my head, but I did not have to do that, so that's a plus. And as you can see, the lace is a little bit light for my complexion, so I'm taking a foundation brush with a little extra product on it from earlier, and I'm just dabbing that on the lace to make it match my complexion a little bit better, just so that it's not like too light. And this wig did come pre-styled. This is how the curls look like right out of the box. The curls look good. I'm not going to say they look bad. They do need a little bit of shaping though. So I will end up doing a little extra to it, but I'm going to get up close so you guys can see the hairline. This is their natural, realistic hairline. I would say the knots are a little bit dark, so I may have to tint them a little bit if I reinstall, just because of my preference. But if you are a beginner, this wig would be perfect. So onto the ear tabs. It's so easy to use. All you have to do is peel off the paper shield on top of the adhesive and then press it onto your hairline. I'm using my comb just to put a little extra pressure onto it. And as you can see, it's like stuck. Like the wig is not going anywhere after using this adhesive. I love this method for my girlies that do not want to use glue. This method is perfect. And the good thing is, these tapes last up to 5 days. So this is a perfect non-glue, like glueless method for my beginner girlies. Now that that wig is on, it's stuck, it's not going nowhere. I am just a perfectionist and I want that lace in the front to like really melt down. So I'm going in with my Ebin lace bonding spray and I'm just going to spray that around the front of the lace. I am not going to spray it where the tapes are, only on the front perimeter of the wig. And now just taking that edge band that they sent me with my wig, and I'm just going to tie down the lace with that. This is going to ensure that that lace really melts in while we style the rest of the hair. I think UNice did a really good job with this wig and the pre-styled curls. Me personally, I just like the front of my curls to lay a certain way, but the more you comb through the hair, it gives like a really nice body wave effect. So yeah, I think they did a really good job. Again, this is their 24-inch wig. And I am 5'4", so this hair is pretty long on me. Like, it kind of looks like 26 inches, to be honest, when you pull it. But I'm going to take my curling iron and I am just going to fix those 2 front curls. That's about it. I don't think I have to do much to it. I'm going to use my curling iron as if it is a curling wand, and I'm just wrapping the hair around the barrel. I let it sit on the barrel for 10 seconds and then pull it down. And I'm going to go ahead and do 4 of those curls in the front just so that it lays the way I want it to lay in the front. So once I'm done those 4 curls, I'm just running my fingers through it and I'm going to comb through them. And you can see just how much of a difference those front curls made to the entire look. So I'm really feeling it so far. The hair is extremely soft. I've gotten little to no shedding, and I did wear this wig for 5 days just to test out the ear tab tapes to make sure that they last for 5 days. And y'all, they do. They last for 5 days as long as you're wearing your band to sleep. So as you just seen, I did add my wax stick to the top of the hair to make sure to lay down any flyaways. And now I'm using my hot comb just to press it down and make sure the top of that wig is nice and flat. Now that that's done, I'm going ahead and taking off my edge band and just using my hot comb again to press back that hairline and make it a little bit more visible. Again, if I could do anything different with this wig, I would definitely like bleach the knots a little bit more because the knots are a little dark for my liking. But other than that, this wig is a go. I'm going in with my hair oil, and y'all know I like to rub the oil all over my hands and then rub my hands all throughout the hair, just so that every inch of the hair can get a little bit of that oil. So now that that hair is nice and saturated with the oil, it's not too much though. The oil that I use is really lightweight, so it doesn't weigh the hair down or anything, but it does give the hair a nice shine. I went ahead and combed through the hair to get that product evenly distributed, and this is pretty much the finished look, guys. This is how the look turned out. Again, the ear tabs are nice and tight. I did add some, ebon lace bonding spray at the top, but I did not add it to the sides. So you can see that the sides are not going anywhere with that lace tape. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, the details to this wig will be in the description box. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.